to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't been online for a while. A lot has been going on. I've been busy and stuff like that. But I'm back with another video, and in this video I am going to be cleaning up my room and putting everything in order, because for a long time now I haven't been able to do it. So just stick around to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification. Enjoy. So first I am going to start by picking out the trash inside my bag, on my bed, my closet, and everywhere. As you can see, there are so many bottled waters in my room. Like, I don't know. So I just want to do this really quick, and the time is like 2 a.m. right now. Okay, let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, let's go.